Hi, good morning, students. So today we will discuss about the our chapter number 2 from geography, globe, latitudes and longitudes. Okay, in this video we will discuss about the question answers, and they are very much easy and in a simple form I have made them, and I hope you have gone through the video in which I have discussed the whole chapter of the globe, latitudes and longitudes. Okay, now let's come up on the question answers. Now first question is, what is the true shape of earth? What is the true shape of earth? As we all know that if we see a globe, then what does our earth look like? The true shape of the earth is a globular earth like shape. Okay, now the exact answer is the true shape of the earth is ग्लूडियो अर्थ की प्रॉपर शेप कैसी है? ग्लूडियो अर्थ है. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज, व्हाट इज ए ग्लोब? ओके, व्हाट इज ए globe? Globe is the three-dimensional model of the earth. Globe is a three-dimensional model of the earth. Okay, it is a 3D dimensional model of earth. Okay, now next question is, what is the latitudinal value of the tropic of Cancer? Okay, now the answer is the latitudinal value of the tropic of Cancer is 23.5 degree north. 23.5 degree north. Question number 4 is, what are the three heat zones of the earth? The three heat zones of the earth are torrid zone. First is torrid zone, second is temperate zone, third is the freezed zone. Question number 5 is, what are the parallel latitudes and meridians? Okay, now this is the important question and you can mark it important. What are the parallels of latitude and meridians? Parallels of latitude is all the parallel circle from equator to the poles are called parallel latitude, from equator to the poles. Okay, remember these words. Parallel circles from equator to the poles are called parallel of latitudes. Now second point is meridians of longitudes. Meridians of longitudes. All the semicircles which join North Pole to the South Pole are known as meridians. Okay, now these are the semicircles. Okay, meridians क्या होते हैं? Semicircles होते हैं. And parallel of latitudes क्या होते हैं? Complete parallel circle होते हैं. Okay, so now meridians of the longitudes are all the semicircles which join North Pole to the South Pole are known as meridians. Okay, now let's come up with the question number 6. Why does the torrid zone receive maximum amount of heat? Why does the torrid zone receive maximum amount of heat? The area between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn known as the torrid zone. जो भी गैप जो ट्रोपिक ऑफ कैंसर और ट्रोपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न के बीच में पाया जाता है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? टोरिड जोन. उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? टोरिड जोन. ओके, सो वी कैन से द एरिया बिटवीन द ट्रोपिक ऑफ कैंसर एंड द ट्रोपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न इज नोन एज द टोरिड जोन. Okay, now the second point is, the midday sun is exactly overhead at least once a year. The midday sun is exactly overhead at least once a year on all latitudes in this area. Okay, now we will come up with the question number 7. Why is it 5:30 p.m. in India and 12 noon in London? Okay, now the question, can you understand? Like it is differentiating the time between London and India. मतलब कि जैसे इंडिया में शाम के 5:30 बजे हैं तो वहां पे लंदन में दोपहर के 12 क्यों बजे हुए हैं? क्यों ये टाइम डिफरेंस है? क्या रीजन है? ओके, नाउ आंसर इज, इन इंडिया, इन लंदन द ग्रीनविच मीन टाइम इज फॉलोड. ओके, लंदन में कौन सा टाइम फॉलो किया जाता है? लंदन में ग्रीनविच मीन टाइम. ओके, कौन सा? ग्रीनविच मीन टाइम इज followed. In London, the Greenwich Mean Time is followed. Okay, now second point, the Indian Standard Meridian is 82 and a half degree northeast of the prime meridian. The Indian Standard Meridian is 82 and a half degree northeast of the prime meridian, east of the prime meridian. Okay, now third is, thus the Indian Standard Time is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead. Now, thus the Indian Standard Time is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead. Thus the Indian Standard Time is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead. Now fourth is, when it is 12 noon in London, it is 5:30 p.m. in India. When it is 12 noon in London, it is 5:30 p.m. in India. Okay. Now these are the four main points and it is the important question, so you can mark it important also. Okay, now let's do something extra question answers of these chapter. Now first question is extra question answers we are doing. Okay, now what is celestial bodies? What is celestial bodies? The sun, the moon shining in the night sky are called celestial bodies. Okay, the sun, the moon shining in the night sky are called celestial bodies. And can you tell me, moon is a planet, moon is a galaxy, or moon is a star? Okay, answer me. Yes, moon is a star. I told you. Okay, remember this. What are astronomers? What are astronomers? Okay, the people who study about celestial bodies and their movements are known as astronomers. वो साइंटिस्ट, वो वैज्ञानिक जो कि हमारी गैलेक्सी में celestial bodies को, जैसे कि सन, दी मून एंड दी अदर शाइनिंग प्लैनेट्स, दी स्टार्स, उनकी मूवमेंट्स को और उनकी हलचल के बारे में पढ़ते हैं, अध्ययन करते हैं, उनको क्या कहते हैं? उनको एस्ट्रोनॉमर्स कहते हैं. ओके, नेम एनी 3 कॉन्स्टिलेशंस. ओके, नेम एनी 3 कॉन्स्टिलेशंस. ओके, सप्तऋषि, लियो एंड स्कॉर्पियन. ओके, सप्तऋषि, स्कॉर्पियन एंड लियो. Okay, now last question of this chapter is, what is a satellite? What is a satellite? A satellite is a celestial body that moves around the planets in the same way planets moves around sun. What is a satellite? A satellite is a celestial body that moves around the planets in the same way planet moves around the sun. Okay. Now let's take a recap of all the chapters so that you can write down these extra questions as well. And remember, you have to write down these questions in your notebook. Okay. Now you can have a look. So I hope you have done all the question answers and you will write down in your fair notebook. Thank you. And the chapter is complete. Chapter number 1 and chapter number 2 from geography are completed.